Oh, I used to be able to do that years ago, but wow, I need way more practice.
You can borrow my skateboard to practice anytime.
Thanks, Nelly. Maybe one day I'll get a skateboard of my own. I love birds. That one is called a finch. The fun part is, sometimes when I do a finch bird call, they'll actually chirp back to me.
Like this, Daddy? I need way more practice to do that bird call.
Well, let's try it together. We did it! Well, that was fun, but I need to get back to my chores. Where's my to-do list?
That's a long list, Daddy.
Yep, but these chores won't do themselves. Next up, light bulbs.
Huh? There, the front door is on.
Great job, Nelly! This playhouse is on its way. I promise to help finish it very soon, when I have some more time.
I know, Daddy. We'll finish it.
Now I'm off to the bakery. I have to make a few cakes and lots of cupcakes for a few parties.
Sounds yummy, but a lot of work.
Have a good day at work, honey.
Wait for me! Mama, you said Father's Day is tomorrow, right?
Right, Nelly.
I want to do something extra special for Daddy. He works so hard for all of us.
I love that idea.
Ooh, I know one thing that I could do for Daddy. I'll surprise him and finish this.
Good idea, Nelly.